9 countries. That's the number of countries I visited in the past year. You can check my Instagram, everything is documented there. And I did it thanks to crypto. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I did it and how you can do it as well and turn a small amount of investment into a bigger one. Hello everyone, my name is Mazine. I'm a crypto trader and investor since 2021. This is my second profitable bull run, and in this channel I present to you the best crypto opportunities. So if you don't want to miss them, make sure to subscribe and activate the notification. That way you're going to be the first one to get notified whenever there is a new one. 2013, that was the first time that I hear about Bitcoin, and I did my research and found out that it was used for illegal activities. So I said to myself, better stay away from it. Years later, I will find out that people made a lot of money with it and crypto was becoming something bigger. But to be honest with you, at that time I was focusing on other things such as my studies. But on my last year in 2021, there was a lot of friends that were talking about crypto and getting into NFT and crypto projects. So I said to myself, let's get in and let's make some money. And thanks to that, I made some money from it, but then bear market arrived. So I told myself it's better to move a little bit away from crypto and focus on improving myself on other areas. So I moved to Dubai and I started working for marketing agencies there, and I made some friends in the crypto and NFT space. It was a very good year for me, but then I moved to Thailand and I said to myself, it's time to focus 100% again on crypto. So I got in, I kept on buying, I kept on trading, and in today I'm going to show you exactly the strategy that I use to make money in crypto consistently. So the first principle that I live by in crypto is that it's risky. You can never guarantee success and you can never guarantee results. You can just make action based on the information that you have and get or get not the results depending on the outcome that you cannot control. But what you can control is your action and your dedication, your passion, your patience, and your time and energy that you will put in. So for me, there are some bigger and long-term holds that I have and that I always will keep investing on, and those are the bigger projects such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. I believe those have a lot of future, and for me it's something that will not pay in this or 2 or 3 years, but rather in 10-20 years from now, when the crypto technology will get evolving and will start improving. But during a bear and a bull market, there are better opportunities in the altcoin space where you can turn a small amount to a bigger amount. But the issue with that is that there is a time frame that no one can predict. So for example, if I put $1,000 and I'm expecting to do a 2x or a 3x on my investment, and I believe that altcoin is going to move higher, I do not know when it's going to be, and I don't have any capacity on accelerating that. A lot of you guys already holding altcoins, a lot of you guys already holding cryptocurrency, and it's good. But during the bull market, I believe it's a good strategy, but it's not the only strategy you should live with. Because for me, I understand that okay, I'm going to do a 2x, a 3x, but what about doing it right now? What about making money right now in crypto? I feel like this thing was missing, or this thing is the missing part that almost a lot of people do not know about or do not capitalize on. And for me, that part is meme coins. So meme coins are simple, guys. It's a short-term play for you. So you buy a meme coin based on an event, a hype, community, anything, and it moves faster than an altcoin that need a lot of investment so it can move. No, this time we're talking about minutes, hours, and days rather than days and months and years. But the issue with meme coins as well is that it's more risky, and there are a lot more risk than holding altcoins. But it's not impossible. You can do it. I do it. A lot of members in our VIP community do it. But a lot of people do not have the right information on which meme coin to invest on, when to enter, when to exit, how much money you should put in. And this is a big issue that I found out, that really if you want to make it in meme coins, you need to be dedicating yourself and your time with meme coins. And a lot of people do not have the time to do that. And basically we as traders do it all day and trade meme coins. So why not helping other people who do not have the time to do it? For me, it's a good way and a shortcut for a lot of people who do not have the thing that I talked about earlier, such as time and energy, but they can capitalize on the information and enter trades. But basically that's it. For me, if you want to live off crypto, you need to be looking at short and long term, and instead of focusing your energy and time on only one thing, try to diversify and try to find those shortcuts that are going to make you arrive to your destination faster. I try to be brief and clear as much as possible, but if you have any question, just let me know in the comments. Have a very great day and see you on the next one.